Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today let's discuss how to link AliExpress to TikTok shop. So you want to have a dropshipping plugin because TikTok doesn't connect to AliExpress by itself, and the best option for you will be Deezers. So your first step is to install Deezers and connect it to your TikTok account. Go to Deezers dashboard, create free account, and link both your TikTok account and your AliExpress account. When everything is connected, you can start importing products. To do that, go to AliExpress, find the product that you want to sell, and use Deezers Chrome extension to add it directly to your Deezers account. Inside Deezers, you can edit the product title, description, images, and set your own prices for TikTok shop. And finally, when you are ready, push the product from Deezers to your TikTok shop. From that point, Deezers will automate your orders. So that means when a customer buys something from your TikTok shop, Deezers places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in the customer's shipping details, and provides tracking information. You don't need to handle inventory or shipping yourself because everything is managed automatically between AliExpress, Deezers, and TikTok. So that's it, thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.